Hello everyone, welcome to Think Academy. Today we are going to explore some questions from KMC, and today our topic is very typical. It's very typical in many competitions and also in math questions. Chicken and rabbits problems. Let's see how does it work. Here, some chickens and rabbits are in the garden. We only know there are 10 heads and 32 legs altogether. But we want to find how many chickens and rabbits are here, respectively. Okay, so in fact, for rabbits and the chicken problem, we have many methods. Let's learn them one by one. The first method is by listing all possibilities in a table. Let's see. We want to know how many chickens are here, or so we want to know how many rabbits are here. And we want to check, can we have the correct number of eggs? So let's suppose when there is only one chicken, how many rabbits are here? Because we have 10 heads altogether. That means how many animals are here altogether? One chicken has one head and one rabbit also has one head. So 10 heads means 10 animals altogether. There are only 9 rabbits when there is one chicken. And let's see how many legs. Every chicken has 2 legs, so 1 times 2, adding. Every rabbit has 4 legs, so 9 times 4, and altogether we have 38 legs. It's not 32, so it cannot work. Let's continue to list other possibilities in this table. And let's see. This is now when there are 2 chickens, how many rabbits? 8 rabbits. 10 minus 2 equals 8. And every chicken has 2 legs. Every rabbit has 4 legs. So altogether we can find 36 legs. No, it's not 32 either. So let's continue to list the next possibility. 3 chickens, 7 rabbits. And let's see how many legs can we find. 7 times 4 equals 3 times 2 plus 7 times 4 equals 34. So still it doesn't satisfy the requirement 32 legs. And let's continue. 4 chickens and 6 rabbits. How many legs can we find? 4 times 2 plus 6 times 4. So here we got 8 legs for chicken, 24 legs for rabbit. So we have 32 legs altogether. Wow, it works. So you see, that means there should be 4 chickens and 6 rabbits. So in this way, we have 10 animals altogether, and we also have 32 legs altogether. And let's observe the table. What pattern can you find? When we have 1 more chicken, we will have 1 less rabbit. And how many more legs will we have? Every 1 more chicken, we will have 2 less legs. So that's the pattern we can find in this table, the first method. And the second method is quite interesting because it's called drawing method. Let's draw them. Okay, so because 10 heads altogether, let's draw 10 circles. Okay, now we have 10 circles here. And let's see, because chickens has less legs, let's draw 2 legs to each head first to represent the chickens. 2 legs for each. Okay, here, how many legs have we got? 10 heads, 2 legs for each head. So we got 20 legs already. But still, we lack 32 minus 20 equals 12 legs. We still need 12 more legs. So let's see, if we make 1 chicken into rabbit, how many more legs do we need to add? 2 more legs. So how many more head do we need to add 2 legs? 12. divided by 2 equals 6. Because we have to add, after we add 2 more legs to it, it will become a rabbit. So 6 means how many rabbits are here? If we know there are 6 rabbits, so how many chickens? 10, the total number, minus the number of rabbits we can get, there are 4 chickens. It's quite interesting, right? You just need to draw them and you can find the answer. But next time, if there are 100 animals, are you going to draw 100 circles? Too many circles. I don't want to draw that. So let's learn another method, assumption method. Let's suppose the 10 animals are all chickens. They are all chickens. So, if 10 chickens, we can find 20 legs. But still, we have some legs lacking. We still need more legs. So, sorry, I will make it more clear. And how many legs do we still need? 32 minus 20 and equals 12 legs. So we still need 12 legs. And every rabbit has 2 more legs than chicken. So if we make 1 chicken become 1 rabbit, how many more legs do we have? 2 more. We need 12 altogether. So how many rabbits do we need? How many chickens do we need to make it into a rabbit? 6 rabbits. So our target is rabbit. So this is the number of rabbit. And let's see, if we know 6 rabbits are here, how many chickens? 10 minus 6. We can get 4 chickens should be here. In this way, you can solve it by several steps, and no matter how big, how large the number is, you can find it very easily. So it's very useful. For the students of year 1 to year 3, you can only learn the first 2 methods, like how to make a table or how to draw them all. But for students from grade 4 to grade 6, I do suggest you have to master the assumption method because it is quite useful and it can exercise your mind well. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Hope you can master the typical question well. So see you next time. Bye bye.